Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today is Black Friday when this video is released, 2024. If you see this anytime after the fact, that's fine. Pricing is still really great. What I'm bringing you today is two different items from VEVOR. The first item is a commercial meat grinder right here. This meat grinder is 350 watts, will grind, according to VEVOR, according to the manual, 7 pounds of meat in 1 minute. This is a heavy-duty commercial style meat grinder. You know, you can get the cheaper $100 ones. They will work, but you know, they work a little harder. This one here is actually pretty heavy. That probably weighs, I don't know for sure, it probably weighs about 30 pounds. It's pretty heavy. Just this piece right here that goes on the top, I'd say that thing weighs at least 5 pounds, maybe even 7. All right, I'll go over a little more with that. The other product I'm bringing to you from VEVOR is a sausage stuffer. This is a manual sausage stuffer, and it'll hold up to 5 pounds of meat to make your sausage. I'll go over each one individually. There will be links below. Great prices. I was just at one of the sporting goods stores, and for a meat grinder, a commercial, this is a number 8. For like a number 5 that will do 5 pounds a minute was more expensive than this on VEVOR. This will do 7 pounds a minute. This is a number 8. And same thing with the sausage stuffers. If you're into grinding your own meat, making your own sausage, you know, check this one out, this meat grinder out. 7 pounds a minute. You know, I don't have 7 pounds to grind through here, but I do have 4 pounds plus some brisket fat that I'm going to be making to grind my sausage meat for the sausage stuffer. Now, I'm going to do the manual sausage stuffer, but this also comes with the sausage making kit. So let me just show you up close what all this has. Okay, so this is the VEVOR 1A-EG108 meat grinder. Again, 350 watts. It's a pretty heavy duty meat grinder. And it comes with a 10 millimeter grinding blade with the blade. It also comes with a 4.5 millimeter grinding blade, and it gives you an extra cutting blade, and it also comes with your sausage stuffing blade as well. And of course, you know, you got your auger and the screw to hold everything together. Now, I told you that this thing was also a sausage maker. You can use it as a sausage maker. And here's one of the tubes. These tubes all screw into this that eventually would go through here like that. So if you're changing sizes or whatever, you can just unscrew it from there and screw the next size on like that. And then the smallest size for like doing your beef sticks is right there. All right, we're not focusing on the sausage making part of this meat grinder because we're going to be doing a manual sausage stuffer. Okay, and then, you know, it does have the top part, the hopper and the pusher. You shouldn't really need to push with this, but you don't want to push anything down in there with your fingers, so it does come with a pusher. All right, the on-off switch is in the back, and it does run off your 120 and a 3-prong. All right, so I'm going to get some beef in here. We're going to grind it up and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so this meat grinder is very easy to assemble. Just put that in like that, tighten it down, insert your auger. Insert your blade, and then your grinding plate. I'm using the 10 millimeter for this sausage. Grinding and making a beef sausage. Okay, and then you just screw the cap on it. I've already washed all of this. You want to wash it all with warm soapy water. Before you use it, tray in. Okay, so I've got some seasoned beef here. I'm going to be making some beef jalapeno pepper jack beef sausage, jalapeno cheese. And so I'm going to get all this in. This is just over 4 pounds with the brisket fat that I added to it. This meat, believe it or not, is tri-tip strips that I found at Costco. So this tray holds quite a bit. I don't have the center filled, but before I turn this on, we'll put some down inside just so there's meat in there to lubricate. So now do all this while it's unplugged. I'm going to plug it in. All right, it's going to get a little noisy. I will lower the sound when I edit so you don't get totally blown out. So here we go, turn it on, put some meat down in there. Okay, and there you go. I didn't have a timer on it. I'll have to check back on the video to see how long that took. Like I said, this is just about 4.5 pounds. It's not 7, but man, that really ground through there quick. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and run this back through because I'm making sausage. Just using this to demonstrate how this grinder works. This might take a little bit longer on the second grind. I'll put this under here for right now because there's still meat in here. Now, if you're doing ground beef, you might want to use the 4.5 millimeter. I'm using the 10 for this sausage, so let's get the rest of this ground up. Let's get some in there. Guess I could put some more on top. All right, turn it on. Okay, I don't know how long that took. It probably took a little bit longer on the second because it's taking the ground back through. Anyway, super quick. Went through that over 4 pounds, probably 4.5 pounds in no time. And I'm ready to add the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to go add the jalapenos and pepper jack cheese and the other ingredients to my meat mixture, and we'll be back to do the sausage stuffing. Before we move on to the sausage stuffer, I just want to say how easy this was to clean up, put back together. Worked great. It worked great for hamburger, but I'm making sausage with the sausage stuffer. You can also do sausage with this, but I'm telling you, you're going to need 2 people, and I might need 2 people for the hand cranked one as well, but it's just me, so I'll do it best I can. Now I've got my sausage meat all ready. Let's see how that stuffer does. Okay, so this is the VEVOR 5-pound sausage stuffer. It'll hold up to 5 pounds, which is good because with the cheese and the jalapeno and everything in my meat, it's probably right around 5 pounds. So that thing's going to be full. This is model 1A SS305. And this piece here does unscrew from here. This is the part that pushes down your meat. And once you wash all of this up, you do wash the manufacturer oil that's on there. So to make things run smoother, you do, and if you've watched my channel before, you know I use this food grade mineral oil. You do want to get some mineral oil back on there. You can use vegetable oil. If I can get my sprayer to work. So you want to make sure that this rubber seal right here is coated with some mineral oil or vegetable oil, and it just screws right back up on here. Okay, and again, this is a hand crank, and that just fits on here. Okay, and that goes up so we can get this thing back in there. You can also, if you want to make things run smooth, you can squirt a little bit of food grade mineral oil in there. You don't necessarily have to, but I do. So yeah, let me get that thing stuffed with some meat and get some sausage going. I'm going to end up using the largest tube that that came with it for my beef sausage. I'm going to put my beef sausage in here. You do want to pack it in there nice and tight to try not to get any air bubbles. Let's see if it'll hold all 5 pounds. Okay, so this was just under 5 pounds, and it looks like it's all gonna fit. I did forget to put the tube on here. Very easy, and there it is right there at the end. You just put your tube through there, screw it on. It's that easy, and it sits. Sorry about that, and it sits right inside here. Okay. There are a couple, the feet on the bottom here, and that slides into place. And then you start cranking this down slowly once you get to the meat section. And meat will start coming out that tube. You can see it right there. Okay, I am going to stop because I need to get my casing on here. Hog casing on there. Before I start filling it up, I forgot to mention they do come with C-clamps to hold this down, or if you have a place that you can permanently bolt it down. It does have holes in here. I think I might have to bolt it down because this is probably going to be a tough turn. So I'll be right back. I'm going to see if I can get this thing locked down. All right, we'll see if I can do this. I'm right-handed. I do have it clamped down. Let me see if I can, how hard this is going to be. There you go. The VEVOR 5-pound sausage stuffer, hand crank. There's part of my beef sausage. This video is not about my sausage. It's about the meat grinder, commercial grade, number 8, 7 pounds in a minute. Make your own hamburger, make your own sausage. It is also a sausage maker, but if you don't need a grinder with a sausage maker and you just need the sausage stuffer, this thing worked great. I was doing it left-handed. I'm not left-handed. Turn around right-handed. I did a little bit off camera and it did fine. It does have the clamps if you don't have anywhere to bolt it down. And yeah, thing worked great. And you know, this is well under $100 as of this video. If you're looking for a Christmas gift for somebody that's hard to buy for, I mean, hey, get them a grinder, get them into making sausages, get them into making their own hamburger. You know, whenever you find meat on sale, grab it. Grind it, make your own burger. I mean, all meat prices right now are out the roof in prices. So anyway, I'm going to end this right here. All the information will be below, and the codes, discount codes, everything. It's Black Friday. You'll get a better discount if you go there today. And if you're not watching this on Black Friday, again, it's still a great price. If you're looking for a birthday present for somebody, anything like that, links are below. Check these out. Grab you one, grab your friend one, grab your spouse one. And give them an excellent gift. All right. Thanks for checking this out. I hope you have a great day. And don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And yeah, come back and watch some more.